I think the biggest win is just the sheer amount of things we shipped this year. But I really would call out the amount of pricing stuff we did is genuinely staggering.
In our journey to democratize video, price is always something that's important for our customers. And there was a ton of work done over the year, not just on lowering price, but on unbundling the video assets so that customers have more choice on how they want to spend their money with us.
Levers like cold storage, different encoding tiers, developer starter plan. But one that I really want to highlight is how we've overhauled the pricing shape for contract customers to better align with how they use the product, as well as provide a lot more flexibility to take advantage of those levers.
So thanks to the analytics team, who's pulled together all this data from marketing, from sales, from engineering, and even from all of our internal systems, made it possible for our company and our leadership to move forward with confidence in making these pricing changes.
The other person that helps make this happen, it probably doesn't get enough shout outs because he's CEO, is Wandala. I remember 18 months ago, he said, hey, we have 4 parts of pricing and I want to make part A $0. And that wasn't a joke. 6 to 8 weeks later, that was real. Implemented, executed, and passed on to our customers. And he hasn't stopped since. Some of the huge wins that we had this year were the great optimizations on all of our products. The video team really focused on platform level optimizations. We're migrating across multiple cloud providers and optimizing CDN spend, and the data team focusing on core infrastructure improvements as well as performance of the product itself.
One of the things we did was add a new caching layer, which helps us cut down on up to 95% of the data we query for time series data. Another thing we did was batch more data, which helped us improve the throughput of data by 4 times.
To me, it just was such a great introduction to Mux and the Mux data team and how much they care deeply, even for the things that you don't see.
After all these reliability and performance improvements, we not only have better metrics into our own system, but we don't have to scale our systems as consistently as before. Instead, we as an engineering team are free to make the next big feature at Mux.
The thing I'm most excited about this year is that the world finally noticed what we were building around video players. And now we have a bunch more people building video players with Media Chrome. We launched this thing, player.style, around all these player themes. I was so excited to see that get some traction because the team working on it is so talented. And we've worked really hard to build Mux Player in this way it's built upon open source technologies, and we're able to share all the kind of underlying frameworks we built around that.
We also brought our player to GA for mobile for a product that's just went to GA this year. I think I'm pretty proud of the amount of usage that it's getting.
Well, I guess the overarching theme for this year that I've appreciated has been the thoughtfulness that we put into customer care and just getting them what they need. A couple great examples from this year have been with some of my teammates like Wanda on the delivery side for a customer that was bringing up some interesting caching behavior. We ended up fixing that and getting some better response times, better delivery efficiencies, and saving money also. On the video ingest side, I was working with Justin Greer. He was awesome in delighting the customers and being really thoughtful with the inputs that we could give them to get them what they need.
One of the things I'm really proud of is the amazing work that we've done to incorporate the voice of our customers into our product, but more importantly, into our company. We've held 2 amazing events, among others, the Mux Board of Advisors meeting and our Quality of Experience Summit.
Got to see how our customers mingle and share stories and share notes. I overheard customers telling their battle stories with video. I even had a customer come and share a story about how much they loved working with our team, which I always love to hear. So.
My Mux win, I've started 6 months ago and felt like I was able to onboard really quickly. Using our documentation has been instrumental in my growth here, and it's a really cool effect as well that I use the same documentation that our customers use as I'm talking to them every day.
When a company like ours, docs are one of the most important pieces of our product. So when he came to me and pushed for, hey, I want to get a handful of people together for a week as somewhat of an offsite, and we'll just go heads down and check off all these improvements we've been wanting to make to our docs. The things that they had said they were going to ship, they were going to ship. And then there were these crazy, awesome side projects that ended up coming along for the ride. It made my heart full.
My personal favorite were the dev chats that I was honored to be a part of, to talk to some of our customers one-on-one and learn how they're using video in their day in and day out. I had so much fun telling the stories that were happening across the company this year. I can't wait to do it again.
One of the things I'm proud of this year are our launch weeks. I think it's a testament not only to the amount of product we've been launching, which is awesome, but our rockstar marketing team. Shout out to our skeleton video.
Ah, what is up, fam? It's your boy, Jason Samford.
One big win, I would say, me, along with Darius and Lamia, updated our website's tab navigation and footer to accommodate new pages. There are a set of solutions pages geared towards specific demographics, specific use cases. And so this exercise was a good step back in spring cleaning and making room and auditing and seeing, how everything kind of comes together as like the whole website experience.
I just wanted to pop in and say that I don't think I've ever created this much video in 1 year. And that's all thanks to the many passionate and frankly on-screen talented folks that we have here at Mux who've helped produce product tutorials, launch week recap videos, silly videos to help us tell the story of our products and people through video.
One thing I am really proud of as far as the people team goes is how we came together to work hard and have fun. We invest heavily in the people team and in the way that we can support the rest of our Muxers. And I don't think that it is commonplace out there anymore, but I think it's a strategic function for us at Mux.
Today is literally my Mux anniversary. It's been 7 years. The biggest credit I can give to our own company culture is that I think the motivations company-wide and the ethos that you talk about haven't changed in 7 years. That's what I'm after in the company. It's, again, putting your money where your mouth is.
We've managed to build this culture at Mux where people are both really, really good at what they do and good people who care for each other, treat each other well. I think it's kind of special. I think it's maybe easy to do one or the other, but hard to do both. And looking at 2024, one of our company values is bias for action. I really think we leaned into that, and we're shipping faster than ever. We're moving faster than ever, keeping that excellence and keeping that kind of be human culture that we want to have.